Hello guys, welcome back to this video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, I'm just basically going to be showing you through the interface of the CapCut editing software. So once you've installed the CapCut editing software on your PC, so this is how the home page looks like. Because I've done a couple of projects in the past, that's why I have all this here. But for you as a beginner, as a new person, just opening the app, you're going to see blank projects, and all you just have to do is to click on create project. So once you click on create new project, you're going to have the interface of the editing layout like this. So there are basically three main sections of the layout interface. So we have the media section, which is located by your left, by the top left, and we have the editing timeline, which is located by the bottom. You also have the media interface, which is located in the middle. So once you open your CapCut interface, so we have these parts in the media section. In the media section, that's where you import your files, your audio, you add your text, you use stickers, effects, transitions, and also color grading and adjustment with text caption. So that's basically what you do in this media section. So I'm still going to be, in my subsequent tutorials, you are still going to learn more about how you are going to use this section. So to import, you just have to click on imports or use the shortcuts Control. I'm still going to make a tutorial on how to use shortcuts actually. So let's assume you import a video. So let's assume you import a video. Let me import this video. So let's assume you import a video to your timeline. So you just have to drag and drop the way I did the other time. Delete it and do that again. So once you import it to your media section, you just have to long press with your mouse, then drag it to your editing timeline. So once you drag it from media section to your editing timeline, you are going to have it on your preview section. So this part where this video is showing is the preview section. So under the preview section, we have the play button.
Now you have probably met such requests.
So you have the button, you also have the zoom in. So let's go to zoom in on the footage you are editing. You can do it like this. Yeah. So you have the ratio. So let's say you want to change the aspect ratio, just click on ratio. Yeah, you want to change it to maybe 3:4 aspect ratio. You want to change it to 9:16 aspect ratio. And you want to return it back to 16:9. So 16:9 is the aspect ratio for YouTube. So this is a YouTube video basically. And you want to preview the whole video. You want to preview it on a full screen. You just have to click on this button here, and it's going to preview on a full screen. So yeah, that's it for the preview section. So under the preview section also, if you look at the top of the preview section, you see this button here. So that button is for, you want to change the layout. You want to change the layout of your preview section. So there's different way you can change it. So let's assume you're editing in 9:16 aspect ratio. Use this vertical. So it's going to be previewing by your right here on a 9:16 aspect ratio. So if you want to return it, just go to the defaults. So this is the default layout. So we also have a detail section. The detail section, this is where it tells you the information about the videos you are editing, the video on your editing timeline. So it tells you the name of the project, where the project is saved, the aspect ratio, and the resolution, the color space, the frame rates, and this is also where you can set your proxy. So in my subsequent tutorial, I'm going to be explaining the importance of proxy. So going to the timeline section, under the timeline section, this is where you have your basic editing tools. So your basic editing tools include this select. So select is basically just your arrow using it to like click on any of the footage on the timeline. You also have splits, you have select leftward, select rightward. So once we start the practical process, like my subsequent tutorial, I'm going to be showing you that also. So we also have the splits, we have the split button, we have the undo button, redo button, splits, we have the delete left, we have the trim right also, we have the delete button, we have the marker, we also have the freeze, we have the reverse clip, we have the mirror. So we also have the rotate button, and we also have the crop button for resizing of your video. So this by your right, this so this is the section where you do some kind of complex editing that involves you using your scale, your keyframing, your transform. So you also have your remove background at this section. I'm talking about the right section of the timeline. So to activate this is when you click on a clip. So once you click on a clip, you'll be able to activate this. So right here, you can increase the size, you can zoom in your footage, you want to remove background, you can remove background, you can use the max tool, you can do retouch. So basically, I'm still going to be showing you through how to use all these tools, to create crazy edits, amazing edits. Yeah, another thing I'm also going to be showing you is the shortcut section. So this is where you set your shortcuts. So the purpose of shortcuts is to like make your editing faster. So once you're able to like set your shortcut and master it, to be able to edit more faster. So in a subsequent tutorial, I'm also going to be making a video on shortcuts, like how to configure your shortcuts buttons. So we also have the exports, which is the final of your editing process. After your whole editing, you definitely have to export your video. You definitely have to export your edited video. So we have the export button at the top right corner of your screen of your editing layout. So here you can set the name you want to export your file with. This section also, you can also create thumbnail. Yeah, you can edit thumbnail on CapCut. Just click on edit cover. Yeah, so you want to export, you see this part where there's exports to. You just have to like set a folder of where you want your videos to be saved to. You want to save it to desktop, you just have to set the folder where you want it to save to there. Click on save. So the resolution you want to export your video, whether it is 1080p, 2K resolution or 4K resolution. So you also have the frame rates, 30 fps. You can decide to use 30 fps is standard. You also have 60 fps. fps stand for frame rate per second. So let's assume you want to export your audio separately. You just have to toggle your audio button, so it's going to export the audio file of the video separately. So once you are done configuring your export settings, you just have to click on export. Then you'll be able to export your video. So basically the purpose of this is just to take you through, just walk you through the interface to make you get familiar with the interface of the editing software of CapCut. So guys, in my next video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the practical process of how to use this editing software to create highly amazing videos. So guys, I'll see you in my next video tutorial.